study about circular theorems, and we'll have 5 examples. And the first theorem is this one. Subtended angles standing on the same arc are equal. So we have here a circle, and this is our subtended angle, and this is another subtended angle, and they are standing on the same arc. And where is that arc? This is the arc. If they are standing on the same arc, then this angle A and this angle here, they are equal. So what is this angle? This is 27 degrees. Therefore, our angle A is 27 degrees. So here we have 27 degrees. Angle B is standing on this arc here, and this angle 30 degrees is also standing on the same arc. If they are standing on the same arc, they are equal or congruent. So B is equal to 30 degrees. So that is easy. But if you have so many lines, intersecting lines, you will be confused. So what will you do? You just do this one. Suppose we need to find angle A. Then place your left finger here and your right finger here and trace the sides of your angle. So we are going to trace, my right finger will trace this line here. I'm going to stop here. And my second or my left finger will trace this side here until I reach here. Okay, don't go back. Don't return to that point. Find another way. So I'm going to find this finger here will trace this line here until I reach here. And then this left finger will trace this line here until I reach here. Therefore, this angle here is equal to that angle. What about this B? I'm going to start from B. Okay, so I'm going to have my left finger trace this side here, and my right finger will trace this side here. So I'm here. Now, do not return back here. Do not return back here. Find another line. Okay, so I'm going here, and I'm going here. So this angle is equal to this angle. So we have angle A and angle B. Okay, so let's have number 2 class. It's the same. Okay, we have angle C and angle D. They are the unknowns here. We have 20 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, let's start with the C. So from the C, we are going to trace. So from C, this one will be here. My left finger will be there. Now here, my left finger will trace this one here. And my right finger will not return here, but use this line here. And then this 20 degrees is for angle C. So this one is 20 degrees. Now let's have letter D. So I'm going to start here, letter D. So my left finger will trace this one here. My right finger will trace this one here. And then my left finger will go here. And my right finger will go there also. Meaning this one is equal to D. So D is equal to 45 degrees. This should be small letter class. Okay, let's have number 3 class. Now you see it's more confusing now because we have so many lines. So we will use our method, which is tracing by our fingers. So we have angle C is here, angle E, and angle D. We have three unknown angles. We have 41 degrees here, 58 here, and 30 degrees here. See there. So let's have angle C. So for angle C, we place our fingers here and let's trace the sides of our angle C. So I will be here and the other finger will be on this one. My right finger will place this one here and my left finger will place this side here, and therefore this 58 degrees is our angle C. So this one is 58 degrees. Now let's have letter D. For letter D here, so my right finger will place this one here, my left finger will place this side here, and then this right finger will place here, and my left finger will place this side here, meaning the answer is 41 degrees for angle D. So we have 41 degrees. Now let's have letter E. For letter E, I have to start here. Left finger tracing this side here. I'm here. My right finger will trace this one here. Okay? And then my left finger will go there. And my right finger will go there. So that is 30 degrees for angle E. Number 4. So we have here even the same. You have angle F, G. This one is 85 degrees. This one is 40 degrees. This one is angle H. Okay. So let's have angle F. So this one is the angle F. So let us trace it. So here, going there, right here, and here, and here. So there's no problem in letter F or angle F. So angle F is 40 degrees. Now let's have angle H and angle G. Okay, let's have G. Here, let's trace. So this one will go here. This will go here. This will go down here. And this one will go here also. But the problem is, there is no value for angle H. But we know that angle G and angle H, they are equal. Okay, so they are equal, these two. But the problem is, we don't have angle G or angle H. So we have to find either the AG or the H. Now we have an angle here, class, which is 85 degrees. Now this one is already 40 degrees. We have solved that one already. This one is 40 degrees. And what do you see here, class? This is a triangle. Now, what do we know about the interior angles of our triangle? Any triangle. What is the sum? It is 180 degrees. Therefore, we have 40 and 85. We just add this one, these two angles here, and subtract it from 180 degrees. So let us add the 40 and the 85. So we have 40 here plus the 85 here. So it is 125 degrees, these two. Then you subtract that one from 180 degrees. Here, so 5 here, 7. So we have 55 degrees. Therefore, this one is 55 degrees. What can you say about angle H? They are equal also with G. Therefore, our angle H is also 55 degrees. So this one is 55 degrees. This one is also 55 degrees. Okay, so let's have the last example, number 5. So here we have angle A here. Need to find that one. Angle B, angle C. This one is 25 degrees. This one is 32 degrees and 80 degrees. Okay, let's have angle A. So it's angle A here. So I'm going to place my finger here and my right finger here also. So trace it here and here and here, and the other finger will trace this. So for A it's 32 degrees. There's no computation there. Okay. Just tracing. Okay, angle B. For angle B, go there, here, and then here, and the left finger will trace it here also. So we have 80 degrees for angle B. Okay, let's have angle C. Here. So here also. Trace that one by my left finger here. My right finger will go here. My left will go there. But for my right finger, I cannot go here because there is no line from here to there. So we cannot solve that one by tracing because there is no arc standing on the same width angle C. So we have to compute now. We resort to compute. And what kind of computation? Look for a triangle. When you see a triangle, it means maybe there are angles there, the interior angles. If you have two interior angles of a triangle, you can solve for the third unknown angle, right? Okay. Now here, can you see this one, class? This one is a triangle. Now we have two angles here, 32 degrees and 80 degrees. If we add this one and subtract from 180, you can get this one. So let us get first this one. So we add this one, we have 80 degrees plus 32 degrees. Yeah. So we have 2 here and we have 112 degrees. So the sum of these two is 112. What do we do with 112? Subtract it from 180 degrees. So let's subtract that one, 180 degrees minus this 112 minus here. So this one is 8, this one is 7, minus 1 is, it's 68 degrees. So therefore this one is 68 degrees. And what's the purpose of getting the 68 degrees? We need that one to get this angle here, class. This angle here, class. And how do we know? How do you solve for that? This is a straight line. This. When we have a straight line, the measure of the angle there is 180 degrees. So the sum of 68 plus this one must be 180 degrees. Okay, so this one is 180 degrees minus the 68 is the same as adding the 32 and 80. So this one is 112 degrees. 8 to 10, carry 1. So 68 plus 112 is 180 degrees. Now, can we find now angle C? Yes, because this one is also a triangle. How do you find or compute for angle C? We add these two and subtract it from 180 degrees. So let us add this 25 and 112. So we have 25 degrees plus this one, 112 degrees here. So we have, this one is addition. So we have 157 degrees. These two. We subtract that one from 180 degrees, then we have angle C. So we have 180 degrees minus the 157 degrees. So we have 3 here, we have 7 here, and then we have 43 degrees. So angle C is 43 degrees.